In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find your forgotten Facebook password while logged in. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is, first things first, simply go ahead and check your browser or phone's saved password manager. Normally, you can go ahead and find it on account.google.com. And once you're in here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the Google password right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and look for your Facebook if you have saved any. So for example, if you scroll around, you might go ahead and find your Facebook password if it is saved. But if it is not, then the other thing you can really do is just to reset your password. And in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go to facebook.com/login/identify. And once you're in this page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your mobile number or email, click on continue, and they're going to send you a verification code to that mobile or email. And when you enter that verification code, they'll let you create your password or reset your password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you.